Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Diyingtotry. So today I'm going to be doing a super cool and different video that I think is going to be pretty funny, but I'm going to be attempting to learn the dance to High School Musical. We're all in this together. I have always wanted to learn this, and I was like, you know what, I might as well make a video talking about it, showing you guys my process. I just want to do a little disclaimer. I'm not a dancer. I don't think I'm a dancer. I have a terrible memory, terrible coordination, I guess you could say. So we're just gonna see how this goes, but I'm really excited. I have my computer right here, so I'm gonna be watching the video and trying to do this step by step. Also, I just got a lav mic, so I'm testing it out because we're kind of far away from the camera and the camera mic, so I don't know how the audio is gonna be. So that is what this is right here. Hello guys. It is just a microphone. I'm gonna see if it works. Hopefully it does. Keep our fingers crossed, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to pull up a quick video of We're All in This Together dance tutorial. Here we go. This looks like a better video. It's really quiet. Okay, 2 pull-ups like this. So 1, 2, stomp, here, 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 here. Wow, I'm already having a hard time. She's so quiet. Holy cow. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step here. Here. From the top. Oh, here, here. Thank you. Good job, she said. So. Her legs are straight. Okay. I'm going from the top. Where are we going from? Step, turn, and point. And then back to here. Okay. I don't remember. Okay. Here. No, it's 2 here. Here, 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 here. Stars, hands, fists. Here, 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 here. I don't think that's right. 4 seconds. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. Whew. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. I think I killed it, to be honest. I think that I am just really... What happens is I do it and then I forget how to do it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to perform the dance. I think I've basically memorized it. Hopefully it's good. I know I'm embarrassing myself. I didn't realize how bad it was, and I watched it back and I was like, eesh. But and scene. That is the We're All in This Together dance, High School Musical #1. A classic. If you have not watched it, definitely recommend it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, I can do the bet on it dance. That's when Troy Sassy walks on the golf course. Really any dance you want to learn, I can do it if you want, if you have any requests. Sorry you had to watch that. I honestly, today, I'm supposed to upload this video in a half an hour, so hopefully I can edit it and stuff. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.